Prego.
Okay,
Okay.
super. Well, hello. We are
Evelyn
Evelyn.
Lozano.
Okay, and Adolfo Ferrer Jaime, and we are from Mexico City, and we have in Mexico City a school that it's called Leaks.co, and we have the objective to empower and inspire kids for the future. We have the objective to develop in the kids their passions through different methodologies. So we started the project 4 years ago, coaching teams to participate in international robotics competitions, and we have been learning since our beginning. So now we have developed a methodology that Emily is going to talk about. But before we want to say why we are here, we are participating in a challenge that is called Edumission Challenge, that it's organized by an organization in Israel that it's called Education Cities. So in this challenge, there are 25 different schools participating from all over the world. And the objective of this challenge is to share what these schools are doing. And the objective is to improve education, sharing the methodologies from these different schools. So we have been visiting 4 different schools. We went to one in London that it's called Little Forest Folk, that it's a nursery where the kids learn in a forest. So the second one is in Denmark, that is called Favorgangen Efter School. I think I said it correct. And we also went to Warsaw, to Poland, to meet another school that it's called Nobel Schools. And now we are very happy to be here in Italy, meeting the teachers from Scuola Manfredini. Okay. So, and now Emily is going to talk about how we are innovating in education.
Well, we develop two methodologies. One focus on teachers and design of projects, and the other one focus on implementation and the develop of the workshops and the projects with the kids. So the first one is experience centered on the kid, and we developed this model as an ATHOM. We have three principal axes. One is about technical knowledge, the other one is about human development, and the final it's about abstraction. So with this model we want to create integral projects, understanding the students as a persons. So we try to improve all the technical knowledge that they need to know for the real life. Also the human development, these soft skills like communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and also the abstraction. This process to make put in concrete solutions all the ideas and the things that kids have in their mind. So we do this with different methodologies such as design thinking, tinkering, that means the kids learn by doing, and also another ones like logical computational thinking. So this is about more coding and all this kind of thinking about a process and like technical process. And the other one is based on the development of the projects with the kids. So we adapt the design thinking methodology, creative focus on develop creative solutions for a real life in a lot of companies and innovation consulting organizations. So we adapt this to education with the objective the kids can create solutions and be creative and use all the things that they have in their mind in a concrete project. So we developed 6 steps. So the first one is about understand. We give them a lot of challenge and stories and problems that they need to solve. So the first one, they need to really understand the project or the problem or the challenge, then start to imagine. So it's the part where they become creative and use all the things that they have in their mind. And the next one is about design. So in this part, they use all the creative parts that they develop with some restrictions about real things such as material or any other limits that they need um, to complete, like I don't
Yeah.
know, some restrictions.
Yeah, different constraints.
Yeah, different constraints. And the next so in this step they merge these things in with the objective to do the best thing or the most viable idea. So they choose the best idea and then they start to design. That is the next step. So in this part they made plans about their project, and they start to do a real proposal about the project, and then they start to build some prototypes, and then they start to test, and then they test the things that is working and the ones that it's not working. So they have to try and try and try until they made it. So the final 2 steps are test and improve. Yeah. So basically, this is our 2 methodologies that right now we are developing and make innovation in educational models.
Thank you.